Hey everyone, welcome to Westanime tutorials that we can learn more about the basics. We are going to learn one of the most important part of speech in English, nouns. So what are nouns? To simply put, nouns are people, places, and things. Examples include a girl, house, and a book. Now when we say things, we include both living things and non-living things. The type of noun that we see most often are common nouns. Common nouns are people, places, and things that are general. Examples include dog, cat, park, city, computers, and tables, and so on. Proper nouns refer to a specific person, place, or thing. Examples include Kelly, Mr. Philip, Kuala Lumpur, Times Square, Mercedes-Benz, and Japan, and so on. You notice all proper nouns always start with a capital letter. The same person, place, or thing can be referred to both common and proper nouns. For example, this guy here. You can refer to a common noun, a boy, or his specific name, Aaron. All the nouns we covered so far, we also can call them concrete nouns. Concrete nouns exist and can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or tasted. What about words like love, happiness, danger, and so on? We kind of have an idea of what they are, but we don't really see it or touch it. We usually call them abstract nouns. Abstract nouns can be either a concept, value, quality, or our feelings. Nouns can also classify as countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns that are countable, like books, cars, people, and uncountable nouns that we cannot really possible to count, like oil, water, salt, and so on. We use different words to show quantity of a countable noun and uncountable noun. We use many, a few, several for countable nouns, but for uncountable nouns we use much or little. For example, we have many people, but there is not much time. One interesting thing to note that if you add a unit in front of an uncountable noun, it becomes a countable noun. For example, you can have a cup of water because we can count the cups of water that we have. Also, if we have used units instead of the general term, we can change the uncountable noun to a countable noun. For example, time is an uncountable noun, but minutes and seconds are countable nouns. The other thing you should know about nouns is that a single noun can be classified as more than one type of noun. For example, a house. A house can be a common noun. You can see houses and touch them, so it is a concrete noun. And you can also count houses, so it is also a countable noun. Now it's the time to test yourself. Look at the sentences below and see if you can classify these nouns to people, places, or things. Aaron and Kelly like watching movies. Dogs make great pets. Joyce values honesty. The boys go to the cinema. The second challenge you can have is to classify these nouns into common and proper nouns. Do you find any concrete nouns and abstract nouns too? And thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video, and subscribe for more videos to come.